Welcome back. In my previous video, we looked at how Dubai performed as a city ahead of any other city on the planet. Today, we are going to look at how all of those developments are going to help real estate remain positive and attractive as an investment in 2024. I want to welcome you once again to M&A Ambassadors, Becoming the USP, the Ultimate Sales Professional. Now, in the previous video, we positioned Dubai. Now let's look at how real estate has been performing and what are the indicators of attractive growth even for 2024. The first is we have seen an attractive, consistent appreciation of capital over the last 3 years. In fact, it has increased approximately 30% across the market. Knight Frank had actually projected 13.5% as increase for 2023. We know that apartments peaked at 22% and villas went at 18.1%. The market average 18.9%. Absolutely incredible. All the investors have made some really good money in Dubai. We've had record sellouts at all launches. Clear testament to the fact that the investors globally recognize Dubai is the place to be, and even with all those launches, even with all the geopolitical situations around us, they are not slowing down on their investments in Dubai. We became this year the #1 city in the world for ultra high net worth homes valued at $10 million and above. In 2022, Dubai was #4. In 2023, we are #1, the most sought after city in the world by the movers and shakers and the billionaires of the world for their luxury signature homes. There's been a shortage of property. It's been in the newspapers for the last 3 months constantly. Dubai to face housing shortage both in the high net worth category as well as in the affordable segments. And that can only mean more launches because the demand is high in both the ultra high net worth category as well as the affordable category. And we'll talk about that in a moment, why the affordable category is having the shortages. Now, Knight Frank has projected, again conservatively, 5% for next year. We believe it's going to be much higher. We've already seen this year outperform the predictions. But one way or the other, we are still outranking any city in the world in terms of capital appreciation, even for 2024. Now, there is a new buyer trend that has emerged, and this is the reason why you're having the mid-segment communities starting to grow in their demand. You see, with the escalation in the prices, with more and more high net worth people coming in, with rents starting to go up, there are a lot of people who've been renting who are now seriously considering buying. Now, these are people who actually had the capacity to buy before, but never felt the urgency to do it, and they were continuing to rent. But the rent increases are now making many of them rethink, and they're all starting to come and buy. They're even buying it off plan because remember, they had the money, never felt the urgency or the need to do it. And most of these people buying their first homes are looking at areas of affordable properties. So the JVC, the Arjans, the Dubai Souths, these are the areas that are becoming very popular, and therefore you will see a lot of launches in these areas and sellouts happening as well. The second trend is the rental trends. There's a shifting trend happening. People who used to live on a Palm Jumeirah before are now shifting into a waterfront like Dubai Marina because of the increase in rent. Those who are in Dubai Marina are moving into the JLTs. Those who are in the JLTs are moving into the JVCs or some of the Dubai land communities. So there's this shifting trend which is causing more and more demand and pressure on the affordable housing segments and communities in Dubai. So great opportunity for investments in these communities in 2024. The areas of new prominence, Furjan, Arjan, Town Square, Dubai South, all coming up. Now, high returns are attracting more and more investors into the market because investors study a few things. They look at the international reports that's confirming the growth. They look at the developer responses to the demand and what's coming out. We know multiple new communities are coming out in 2024, and they're watching the launches which are all selling out. All positive indicators to suggest we're still on a good roll in 2024. And prime home fit outs, Because of this demand, particularly for high net worth homes and having a shortage, a lot of homeowners are fitting out villas and mansions, upgrading them so they can sell it when it is in demand and make a very good return. So in short, just to summarize, 2023 has been brilliant. 2022 was a record year. 2024 is also something to watch out for. I want to thank you for your time with us on this episode of M&A Ambassadors Becoming the Ultimate Sales Professional.